Welcome, let's talk about Luna. Let's talk about Luna Classic LUNC. Now, unknown wallet just burned 18.4 million coins of Luna Classic LUNC. Unknown wallet burning 18.4 million coins of Luna Classic LUNC. This is good to see at least we are recording huge burning of Luna Classic. Although this is not up to me, some of my video will be talking about Luna Classic burning 500 million, 1 billion, 2 billion. 18.5 million from a non-wallet is a huge coins because this is a lot of money. But then you convert that into money, you discover this is a huge amount of money that has been destroyed by an unknown wallet. And sometimes this wallet comes from some organizations we don't know. Sometimes it comes from donations. Sometimes you see maybe some wealth, people supporting Luna Classic people, and I'm happy to see that this has actually started as of a few months ago when we were recording some wallets, individuals burning 4 million, burning 12 million, burning 8 million coins of Luna Classic. Now I'm happy to see that recently unknown wallet just destroyed about 18.4 million. So let's hope for more burning. Imagine that tomorrow, let's say tomorrow, Binance founder CZ now just said that that he wants to burn part of his Luna Classic coin. Believe it, if CZ decides to burn just, let's say, just 2% of his holding, believe me, Luna can be burning over 200 to 300 million coins. Imagine CZ burning just 10%. He should be burning over 100. 10% of CZ burning should be almost 3 billion to 10 billion or 100 billion coins. If CZ is actually, according to rumors, CZ have over 1.6 billion coins. Okay, so imagine 10% of that 1.6 billion coins. That is about 1.6 trillion, not billion, 1.6 trillion coins. So 10% of that is about 160 billion, and 1% of that is about 16 billion. So if CZ decides to burn just 2%, CZ will be burning about 32 billion coins of Luna Classic. But remember, that is a lot of money, and I can't see CZ doing such. But definitely his support for Luna Classic has been amazing. Yes, his support for Luna Classic has been amazing. But right now, I'm happy to see some unknown wallets. I did say wallets. I say unknown wallet. That's coming from a single wallet burning 18.4 million. So that means we might be seeing more burning coming up in recent time. We might be seeing more burning coming up this month or next month. But I still believe at the end of the day, in the next few months to come, Luna Classic will definitely make us proud. Except if Luna Classic keep on rising, because anything that affects Luna Classic dropping more market cap price, then I think definitely it's going to be over for Luna, and it will be difficult for even Binance founder CZ to keep on supporting Luna Classic. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you.